Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. This is a little video on my new join button that you're going to see on my YouTube. I'm sorry, the sun just went down. It was really nice in here. I hope this is okay. These are like perks that I created, so I'm going to just give you a rundown of what they are. If you want to join and support me on my YouTube, $2.99, you're called my peeps. And what you get with that, or you get these custom emojis, and I have to read these, loyalty badges of pieces of my, like little pictures of my art that you can use in chats and all that kind of thing. And that's $2.99 a month. If you are $4.99 a month, you're called my creeps, because you're my creeps, my peeps, my creeps. You will get your name added to the beginning of all my videos with a heartfelt thank you from me that you're supporting my channel, and you will also get the badges and emojis with that as well. For, let me see, $7.99, you guys are my oddities, and you guys will get a live stream just for you guys, for everybody who supports me with $7.99 a month. You'll get an hour live stream a month for 1 or 2 live streams a month. I don't know, and it's for an hour or so, you know, but at least an hour, and that would be 1 to 2 times a month. That's $7.99, and you get your name in the videos, and you get, you know, the thank you, and you get the emojis and the badges. And then for $9.99 a month, you are my odd peeps, and what you get is 30% off anything in my Etsy, any custom order, as well as to be in the live stream, the hour live stream, as well as the badges and all the things that I mentioned prior, which are the custom emojis and badges and your names added and live stream, and then you get 30% off of anything that I have. That means anything in my Etsy, jewelry, paintings, prints. I'm going to have stencils. I'm going to have a bunch of stuff going up. Anyway, that is what this is. I hope that you will join me and support me. I would appreciate it. But honestly, I just appreciate your viewership, because I know a lot of you cannot do that. I just appreciate your viewerships, your thumbs up, your comments, your love, your support. That to me means more than anything. But as you know, YouTube has changed so much, and views are scarce. Money's scarce, and you know, so I was able, they offered me the ability to do this join perks, and I just, you know, wanted to let you guys know what it is. So I love you guys, and as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. Again, sorry for this lighting. And just remember, above everything, I love you guys so very much. Your support means so much to me. Stay safe and be kind to each other. Please don't fist fight over toilet paper. I love you guys. Bye.